Meaning of enrich.
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 Enrich. The word enrich means to improve or enhance the quality, value, or content of something. When something is enriched, it becomes more valuable, meaningful, or interesting. An example of how something can be enriched could be adding more details to a story, making it more engaging and enjoyable to read. Another example could be enriching soil with nutrients, making it more fertile and better for growing plants. Overall, something becomes better or more valuable when it is enriched, making it more satisfying and beneficial.